Dito kay Mitsubishi, walang hybrid na model variant. And aware naman tayong lahat, especially this generation, halos lahat ng competition meron ng hybrid variant. But honestly, hindi naman lahat into electrification or at least not yet. Kaya naman, if you are one of those who prepare pure ice or the internal combustion engine, then para sa'yo ito ang all-new na 2026 Mitsubishi Destinator. First, let me share to you some features na mayroon sa ating bagong Destinator. 7-seater na expander, 7-seater na Montero Sports, 1.5 powerful turbo gas engine, 163 horsepower, 250 Newton meter water intercooler system. We have three model variants of all-new Mitsubishi Destinator. The top of the line, Mitsubishi Destinator GT, and the mid-variant category, Mitsubishi Destinator GLS, and the entry-level Mitsubishi Destinator GLX. Sa similarities naman, same 1.5 turbocharged gas engine, front-wheel drive, and automatic CVT transmission, more on ADAS, the advanced safety features, and sunroof ang pagkakaiba nila. GT variant, more on luxury, naka-panoramic sunroof, automatic tailgate, sa loob ng interior, naka-ambient lighting system siya. So when you open the door, nagbabago yung color niya. And FYI, Yamaha audio is only for GT variant. GT and GLS, both ADAS na blind spot warning, ADAS na cruise control, and adaptive naman para kay GT. For the GLS is normal standard. So, ilan nga ba yung airbags ng ating all-new 2026 na Mitsubishi Destinator? So, we have three variants. For the top of the line, meron siyang 6 na airbags. One is driver side, front passenger, and the side curtains. For the mid variant naman, driver side, 4 airbags, the driver side, front passenger, and the sides. For the entry-level GLX, same 4 airbags, driver, front passenger, and sides. Naka-wireless charger na rin yung ating all-new 2026 na Mitsubishi Destinator. So, for that feature is meron kay GT and GLS only. And for the 360 camera naman, same for the GT and GLS variant only. Since napag-usapan na rin naman natin ang topic na ito, para kanino nga ba ang all-new Mitsubishi Destinator? Well, if you are not into or not yet ready sa driving lifestyle that change that comes from electrification, you prepare pure ice, you need 7-seater, kailangan mo ng mas mataas na ground clearance compare ka expander, plus mas responsive at powerful na engine, mas affordable naman na top of the line model variant compare kay Montero Sports, and you get the features like Yamaha features and the advanced driver assistant features or the ADAS. Para sa'yo talaga itong bago nating 2026 na Mitsubishi Destinator. Introductory price for the GT top-of-the-line variant from 1,929,000 to 1,799,000. And for the mid variant, the GLS CV Turbo GLS from 1,599,000 to 1,499,000. And para naman sa ating entry-level category, which is the GLX Turbo CVT from 1,389,000 to 1,289,000. Para naman sa ating financing transaction, if you want to avail our low down payment promos, meron tayong mga tie-up na banks dito sa dealer namin. All banks kinikater namin. Meron kami dito na pwedeng mag-approve sa inyo. Meron tayong promo na low down payment for the top of the line GT variant. Naka-promo siya ng 138,000. And para naman sa ating mid-variant category, naka-promo siya ng 89,000. And para naman sa ating GLX manual entry level, naka-promo siya ng 59,000. Kaya naman, kung gusto mong ma-experience ang ating all-new na 2026 na Mitsubishi Destinator, feel free to visit here dito sa showroom namin sa Peak Motors, Mitsubishi Jose Abad Santos. And hanapin lang po ninyo ako, Jenny B. Aninyon, para ma-assist ko po kayo dito po sa Mitsubishi Abad Santos, Manila. Bye!